Hi, I want to show you how to set up Android Auto on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, open up your settings, tap Connected Devices, and tap Connection Preferences. After that, on the very bottom of the page, you should see Android Auto. So here to set up Android Auto with your car, you need to tap this option, Connect a Vehicle, and plug your phone into this car's Android Auto compatible USB port. But if your car is 2021 or a newer model, then you can connect it wirelessly. For that, you need to press and hold this voice command button to begin setup. Also, you can tap Connect using Bluetooth, tap Pair a Vehicle, and find it in this connected devices list. So here you can also check previously connected cars and enable to add new cars to Android Auto. Then you can tap to start automatically or switch to always and if used on the last drive. Here you can also turn on or off such features as start music automatically, start Android Auto while locked. Then you can customize launcher and also enable to taskbar widgets. Also, make sure to enable Hey Google to be able to use it. Then you can go in Maps and customize theme for Maps and enable or disable such features in messaging. Then in advanced settings, you can choose driver seat location by default, left or right, and change layout. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.